Bonjour. To do the food and beverage expenses, you will work closely with the food and beverage director, your operation director, your human resources director, and your financial director. In general, the owner looks at the four main points in this department: payroll and its evolution, food cost, this is the percentage of the cost of purchasing food versus food sales, beverage cost, this is the percentage of the cost of purchasing drinks versus drink sales, and the percentage profit of the department. And if one of these 4 points is not good, then he will go into detail, point of sales, by analyzing the cover, the average check, etc. And I hope you have a coherent figure to present. You will do exactly the same thing for minor operating departments, spa, boutique, golf, etc. In the next video, we'll see the administration and general.